Hello everyone. In this video, we use tools to edit our text, and first we want change the font. For example, select your text with your mouse, or for select all your text, use Ctrl plus A. In Mac, use Command plus A. And after you select your text, on the top from toolbar, click on font section. Now you can choose any font you want, for example Arial, and again click on font text. If you can't find that font from this list, click on more fonts on the top. Now you can search any font you want and find that font and add in your list. For example, I choose this one, and after that click on OK. Now again click on font section and find that font you add. For example, this one, and click one. As you see, my text font was changed, and after that we want to change font size. For example, I select this part of my text, or I select all them, and from the font size section you can put a number and press enter. For example 20, and you can change the size, or you can use decrease and increase button. For example, we decrease or increase. And after that we want to use font style. Select that part of your text or all your text. Use bold or italic or underline based on your needs. After that we have a text color tool. Click on it. From this box, choose any color for your font. For example, red. You can select any part and choose color, or that paragraph, or all your text based on your needs. And also we have a highlight color, which means you can add a background for your color and highlight that text in your document. For example, I want this part of my text highlight, and click on highlight color tools, and for example I choose the green. As you see, this part of my text highlighted. And another tools, align and indent. For example, I choose center. Each paragraph you choose, select on that, you can change the align, or select all your text and choose a align and your text. Also you can change the indent from this ruler based on your page, and margins, you can change the indents and margins. And we have a line and paragraph spacing, which means you can change the space between the line. For example, I select this paragraph and click on this tool, and you can choose single, as you see the result, or 1.50 or 1.5, and double, which means common choose. After that we can use another important tools. For example, when you copy a text from another website or any social media, they have a format. For example, we have a highlight text. I use copy, and from this part of my document paste. As you see, this text have a background color or font, and a lot of more format. For delete format, select that text and use this tool's clear formatting. Click on it. As you see, the format of our text was removed. Also, we have more tools for your text, and for example, if you want use a strikethrough or cross line on your text, select your text. On the top, click on format. From text, choose a strikethrough. As you see, our text have a strikethrough. Also, you can delete the strikethrough with undo action, or again format. From text, choose a strikethrough. Also, you can use Alt plus Shift plus 5 shortcut. And another, we can use Subscript and Superscript, which mean upper and lower text in your document. For example, I want this word become Superscript. Again, click on format. From text, choose Superscript. As you see, this word is Subscript. For this one, I use Superscript. Again, select that word. From format, from text, choose Superscript. I hope this video was useful for you. For more video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.